What could be causing low hot water pressure?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today, we'll be discussing a common household issue, low hot water pressure. If you've ever experienced a weak flow of hot water from your faucets or shower, you know how frustrating it can be. But fear not. We're here to help you understand the possible causes behind this problem and provide some solutions. So, let's dive right in.
Clogged or dirty pipes.
One of the possible culprits behind low hot water pressure is clogged or dirty pipes. Over time, mineral deposits, rust, or other debris can accumulate within the plumbing system, leading to reduced water flow. This is particularly common in older homes or areas with hard water. To determine if this is the issue, you can try checking the water pressure in different faucets. If you notice low pressure only in the hot water lines, it's likely a localized problem. In such cases, flushing the pipes or using descaling agents might help clear the blockage and restore the flow.
Malfunctioning water heater.
Another potential cause of low hot water pressure is a malfunctioning water heater. If your water heater is not functioning properly, it may not be able to heat the water to the desired temperature or maintain adequate pressure. This can result in a weak flow of hot water from your taps. To investigate this, you can start by checking the temperature settings on your water heater. Ensure it's set to an appropriate level. If the settings seem fine, you may need to inspect the heating elements or thermostats for any faults. It's advisable to consult a professional plumber for a thorough examination and repair, if necessary.
Pressure regulator issues.
Sometimes, the cause of low hot water pressure lies outside your home. A faulty pressure regulator can impact the water pressure throughout your entire plumbing system, including the hot water lines. The pressure regulator is responsible for controlling and maintaining the water pressure entering your house. If the pressure regulator is malfunctioning or set too low, it can restrict the flow of hot water. Unfortunately, fixing this issue typically requires the expertise of a professional plumber. They can assess the regulator's condition, make any necessary adjustments, or replace it if needed.
Other possible causes.
While clogged or dirty pipes, malfunctioning water heaters, and pressure regulator issues are some common causes of low hot water pressure, there can be other factors at play. Here are a few additional possibilities. Pipe leaks. Undetected leaks in your plumbing system can reduce the water pressure. Inspect your pipes for any signs of leaks or contact a plumber for assistance. Sediment buildup. Sediment accumulation in the water lines or water heater can impede the flow of hot water. Regular maintenance, such as flushing the water heater, can help prevent this issue. Municipal water supply. In some cases, low hot water pressure may be a result of a temporary decrease in the municipal water supply pressure. Reach out to your water provider to check if there are any ongoing issues in your area. That brings us to the end of our video on the potential causes of low hot water pressure. Remember, it's essential to identify the specific cause before attempting any repairs or adjustments. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with tackling the problem yourself, don't hesitate to contact a professional plumber. They have the expertise to diagnose and resolve the issue effectively. We hope this video has been helpful in shedding light on this common household concern. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like